now it's time for the closet. And obviously I have this bulkhead here. This is for the basement stairs. So I have to work around that. The first thing I did was cut this piece, which is gonna go right here. As you see, this right here is a little awkward. So I'm gonna block this off. Gotta let everybody know who the hack was. All right, I think that's gonna work. It'll stop things from falling into that crevice and make it so that this doesn't look as awkward. So I'm happy with it.